Thank you for taking the time to view my listing. Enjoy the tranquility of the countryside on your own 2-acre parcel, surrounded by towering pine trees that provide shade and a sense of privacy. A new roof and heat pump were installed in 2020, ensuring energy efficiency and worry-free living for years to come. Just a short 5-mile drive to town, you can relish the peace of rural living without sacrificing convenience. The property includes a fenced-in backyard, perfect for pets or creating a private garden. Additionally, you'll find rock storage buildings, water well, an attached garage, and a 2-car carport, offering plenty of storage and parking options. Central heat and air with wood heat as a backup. Call for a showing today. Agents, see documents for more info.